Hi everyone. So today we're going to use a website called I Love PDF, and this will help you split, merge, and do whatever you want with the PDF files that you have. So I'm going to go here to this website. It's called I Love PDF. Click on it. So you're going to see different functions that's in this website, and you can go to all PDF tools, or you can go from the front where you can say split PDF. Click on that, and you just have to select your PDF file. So let's say I select one of my PDF file, which is ABC alphabet, or better, let's go to this one here for it's animal scissor skills. So I have a bunch of PDF files in there, and this section I have probably around 20 pages of PDF files. Let's say I just want the first 4 pages. I can do a custom range, which is 1 to, let's say, go to 4. I'll say 3. And then we can just say split PDF, split, and after it's done, you can just download the split PDF, which actually automatically did already, so it's right here. So if I go here and open it, I have only 3 pages. 1, 2, 3. Very easy. And it's one of the more useful tools if you have a PDF file you need to change, add, remove, or let's say again split. So you can do a lot of stuff. This is all the things you can do: merge, split, remove, extract, organize, compress, repair, even JPG to PDF, Word to PDF. So very useful tool. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and comment for future videos that will describe how to do things. Until next time, take care and have a great day.